Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a cherry flavored cake. It's kind of like an offshoot recipe from my strawberry cake, and it's really very cherry flavory. So let's get started.
As always, we start off with our ingredients. We need 1/3 cup or 80 grams of butter, 2/3 cup or 150 milliliters of oil, 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 3 cups or 375 grams of flour, 1 cup or 250 grams of cherry jam, your decision if you prefer with or without pieces of fruit, 6 egg whites. I started out separating the eggs. Then I put the egg whites in a large mixing bowl and whip them to stiff peaks. Set them aside. Then, in another mixing bowl, cream the butter. Cream in sugar and oil. Add in baking powder and salt. Mix in 1/3 of the flour at a time, alternating with half of the cherry jam. This is totally optional, but I like to add a bit of food coloring to make it look like what it tastes like. For cherry, I add some red with a bit of purple. Then gently fold in the egg whites. Pour the batter into greased and lined baking pans. Bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for 40 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow to cool. Here you can see me leveling the cake to show you the texture. This cake is soft and fluffy and has a lovely cherry flavor. It holds up great under fondant and can also be carved for a carved cake. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.